Good evening, dreamers. This is Kindred Stories, and tonight is the night we'd all been waiting for. It's the very first episode of our beloved podcast, or rather, vodcast. But whether you're listening or watching, please join us as I chatter on with our very special guest about a very special topic we're going to tackle for tonight. It is very close to our hearts, minds, lives, but I do hope you enjoy this episode. For this topic, we've prepared many interesting questions that I believe would really entertain and enlighten you about the life of having a twin. It's proven, tested, and experienced na from us, di ba? So, without further ado, I'm Soria,
And Sophia.
and this is the first episode of Kindred Stories podcast. As all days and nights should start, we have this. Ano nga ba to? It's an encouragement bowl. And in this bowl, it's filled with Bible verses that I believe would really, encourage us because what is more comforting than the word of our God? So, ikaw mauna, Pia.
Okay. No kaya message ni Lord? Okay. So, Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 13. You will seek me and find me when you seek me with all your heart.
How mine is Psalm chapter 27 verse 10. Though my father and mother forsake me, the Lord will receive me. Wow. That
Praise God.
yes, that is truly comforting. Comforting. Pero ayun guys. Yan. Na-encourage ka ba?
Yeah. I'm also reminded of our God's love. Let's go.
Yes, our God's love goes beyond all things talaga. So, just like our love for each other, but sobrang OA.
babe.
But, ayun nga, let's go on with the questions that our studio prepared. For the first question, what was it like growing up with a twin? Ano yung first memories natin na na-realize din natin na, ay, kambal ko pala to. Kambal ko pala to. Sige, ikaw muna.
Ako na, okay. Siguro for me, parang, yung term kasi na twin or kambal, I grew up with it. So, I don't think there was like, a shocking revelation na parang, hala, may kambal pala ako. It's not like an overreaction na, or like dramatic na parang realization na may kambal kasi it's something na I already grew up with. Like, I keep hearing it. I keep hearing it every time na, like parang nickname na talaga namin yung kambal. That's like what we're called in our house, in our home, di ba? In our school rin. Nasa si kambal, nasa ang kambal mo. So, I guess, ayun.
Sa akin naman, ayun nga, parang, para sa akin yung realization ko, hindi siya yung parang, ay, kambal ko pala to. Like, bakit ako may kambal? Ganon. But, ano lang siya, parang, it's like all siblings na that we're born with. Pero, ayun lang, kamukha ko lang siya, tas ka-age ko siya, tas ka-birthday ko siya. But, ayun. Iba talaga yung closeness namin, ayun yung masasabi ko. That's what it was like growing up with a kambal. Na hindi lang, alam mo yun, emotionally close, but also physically close, tapos socially close, kasi lahat na lang ng tao. Alam mo yun, hindi makikita na hindi tayo magkasama, di ba? Then, ayun nga.
Ayun. Tapos, I think, yun nga nabanggit ni Rina, parang lagi kami magkasama, ganyan. Kasi, parang ever since elementary, tas until senior high, magkasama talaga kami. Same school. Tapos yung, starting from elementary, tsaka junior high, same class pa kami. So, talagang, nasa image naman namin yung magkambal kami. So, parang, that's one of the things na parang, fun fact guys, may twin ako, ganun. So, part na siya ng buhay ko. And also, I actually wrote, I wrote a few poetic lines about this before. Na parang, ever since my mother's pero ever since my mother's womb, I already shared something. It's something na so parang I grew up sharing, I was born sharing. Pero it wasn't necessarily a bad thing kasi at least from then on, I was not born alone. Hi! Oversaid.
Ala, nakakaiyak naman yan. Pero ayun nga, ever since sa womb ng nanay namin, baka kung nakikinig ka or nanonood, ganito na kami guys, ganito na. Kahit na lumabas kami magkahiwalay, ganito pa rin. Kahit na magkaiba kami ng strand ng senior high school, ganito pa rin. Kasi para bang laging intertwined yung life namin. Na yung friends niya, kilala ko yung friends ko, kilala siya, kumbaga. And kahit yung mga teachers namin, di ba, lagi namang ganun pagkambal na, ay, ikaw pala si Soria. Akala ko ikaw si Sophia. Hindi ba kita estudyante? Hindi ka ba taga UMS, which is strand niya, because I'm a STEM student, guys. Ayun nga, talagang nung senior high lang kami hiwalay ng landas. Same school, pero hiwalay ng landas sa strand. Because, ayun nga, syempre, kahit na magkamukha kami, kahit na magkapares kami ng mukha, ng birthday and all that, magkiwalay pa rin kami, di ba? Ayun yun. That's what a twin is. Parang identical, pero still different. So, next question. How did others react knowing you were twins?
Paano ba? Knowing you were twins, siguro, siyempre ang common reaction is parang surprise nila. It's like an unexpected thing kasi pag may twin ka. Although it biologically happens, hindi naman siya ganun ka-common, di ba? So, syempre, nasusurprise sila, na-amaze sila. Tapos, adding to the fact na kulot pa kasi buhok namin. So, parang that's one unique thing rin sa amin. Unique, pero ayun. It's like something that makes us stand out. So, I guess, once people find out na twins kami, parang, yun na yung tumatatak sa isip nila. Which is okay naman. Tapos, actually, fun fact rin, hindi pa alam ng college classmates ko na may kambal ako.
Hala,
Di ba nila alam?
Ay,
Hindi
ngayong,
ko pa sinasabi, guys.
yes. Kasi kanina, nasa meeting siya sa college kasama college classmates niya, and I was thinking, alam na ba nila na may kambal tong babaeng
Di pa
to?
po nila alam.
So, like, sabi ko, ay, baka sa podcast na to pa nila malaman. So, kung nanonood man kayo mga kaklase ni Pia sa PNU, narinig ko yung meeting nyo kanina. And ako yung nag-aayos ng mga equipment niya, ganon.
Okay.
And hello.
Hi, guys.
Hindi ako si Sophia. Ako si Soria. Nakambal ni Sophia. So,
Dapat
ayun.
next year ko pa i-reveal, pero sige, okay na.
Grabe naman yung next year. Ano
Para
ako?
surprise, diba?
Hidden child?
Over.
Illegitimate child ba ako? Para,
One thing hindi din nila alam na madami ang kapatid. Very ako. Hindi hidden girl. Over. Pero ayun. Go.
the girl with the rare traits ka ba? Ganun. Pero, siguro, para sa akin naman, yun laging tumatatak sa akin na kapag nalaman nila na twins. Actually, I'm very proud to admit na may kambal ako. Kasi nga, like Pia said na, hindi naman sobra, pero hindi kasi laging may kambal, kumbaga. Laging, lahat may kambal, kumbaga. So, to have that one fact about me na, ay, ako may kambal, kayo wala. Hindi naman ganun pala. Pero like, I have this one person na talagang simula pa, nasa tiyan kami na nanay namin, magkasama na kami. And, ayun, it's a very amazing thing talaga. Kahit na for me na may kambal, amazing siya. Kahit na sa ibang tao na, ay, may kambal ka? Ako rin. May kambal ka? Magkamukha ba kayo? Kailan birthday niyo? Ganon. So, ayun. Next question. Ayan. Ito. Were there some instances that even you yourself. We're confused which twin you are. He! I have a story about that. Hindi,
Feeling
ako
ko same tayo ng story.
Oo.
Sige.
Kasi yun yung laging umaano sa isip ko. Like, pag tinatanong mo tao, nalilito rin ba kayo sa sarili niyo? Sabi ko, opo. Kasi nung grade 2, I think.
Grade 1.
Grade 1. Nag-ID picture. Nag-ID picture. And don't worry, present naman kami nung nag-picture taking. Pero, when the day came na pipiliin yung pictures na itatatak sa ID, syempre yung teacher namin, hindi kami ganun kakilala pa na di-differentiate, kumbaga. So, tinanong si Pia, kasi on that day, parang may sakit ata ako, na-absent ako noon. Tapos, etong babaeng to, this girl, bro, chose my picture for her ID. So, like, nung nakita ko yung ID ko, ako ba to? Parang, di naman ako to. So, like, yeah, ayun. Ano ba nangyari? Ba't ganun?
I don't know, nalito ako. Pero I think that was the only instance na nalito kami daw. Kasi, syempre ngayon, ibang-iba na kami ng features. So, wala na akong, di na ako malilito, bro. Like, mas maliit siya sa akin. So, like, distinct feature.
That's, grabe naman. Ay, yung height ko talaga, no, be? Yung height ko talaga.
Ano ba?
Pero-
Wala na eh. Kasi, I think mostly siguro, mako-confuse kami ng bata pa. Pero yun lang yung talaga yung tumatak sa akin kasi, wala lang. Siyempre, ID ko yun eh. I bore that for a year.
ID picture yun. Sino bang hindi makakaalala na yung picture ko, ibang tao, pero kamukha ko, kaya okay lang.
What's happening, guys?
Diba? Pero, ayun nga.
Memorable experience.
Yan. Next question. Yan. Quotes and questions you've heard 100 times as twins. Siguro, yung lagi nilang tinatanong na sino panganay? Sino panganay sa inyong dalawa?
Sino nga ba?
So, kapag sinasabi ko kung sino, sasabihin nila na, ay, hindi siya, hindi ikaw. Na dapat yung mas huling lumabas, siya yung panganay. So, sabi ko.
Chronologically, that does not make sense.
Pero, honestly, dati, biologically, I thought that made sense kasi yung huling lumabas, ay yung unang nabuo. that was my thought about it. Pero, sino nga ba ang panganay? Sino nga ba?
Based sa birth certificate and the rules po para sa order ng siblings, ako po ang panganay.
Yes.
Pero, di po ako nag-act na panganay.
Yeah. Pero, ayun, by 2 minutes lang naman siya panganay, guys. 2 minutes. So,
2 minutes lang.
lagi ko rin yung tinatandaan. Like, I think she was born 6:26?
Mali!
6 what?
Mali! 8 tayo pinanganak.
Sorry.
8:36 ako.
8:36, 8:38. So, ayun. Alam niyo na. Random fact about us, guys. That was the time we were born.
Night babies kami.
So, ayun.
Ako.
Ano
Ako
pa ba?
naman. Feeling ko yung experience na kunyari, nagka-interact or like I pass someone by, tas kilala niya ako, sabi nila, gaganon sila. Sorry, Gaganon sila, di ba guys? So parang, sabihin ko, tas parang, paano pag di ko sila kilala, di ba? May instances na gano'n, hindi ko naman talaga sila kilala. Sabihin ko, Sophia po ako, pero I'm like asking, who are you po? Sino ka po? I don't know you. Gaganon po sila, like, sorry, Sophia. Estudyante ba kita or hindi? Classmate ba kita?
I knew it was a teacher.
Kilala mo sino ka.
Yes.
Ayan.
Actually, hindi lang siya isa. Laging ganun.
Universal experience po yun. Ano pa ba? Kasi ang daming quotes or like lines na lagi namin naririnig.
Laging ito. Sinong mas mabait? Sinong mas maganda? Sino mas makulit? Ganon.
I think we can answer that honestly naman, pero like, bakit lagi may comparison, guys? Di natin kailangan yun.
Tama. Pero like, to be honest, lagi ko sinasabi sa sarili ko. Pero kayo, no comment na lang.
Oh,
To
guys.
each their own.
Ano pa ba? Siguro, pag nagko-comment sila sa different style namin, di magkambal kayo? Pati kayo pares ng damit. Ganun. Nagaganon sila. Although, joking intention lang naman yun. Pero yun po yung common na narinig namin. So, parang, common experience po siya.
Speaking of style, kaya nga, maikli yung buhok ko and mahaba ang kanyang buhok. Walang kulay, hindi, may kulay ako although black is the absence of color, but sa kanya may red.
Medyo may red.
Tanjiro siya, guys.
Tanjiro?
Pero ayun, kaya mas prefer ko short hair, mas gusto niya long hair. So that's one of the main differences about us.
Preferences.
So,
Okay.
next question. Ayun, kakasabi ko lang. What do you think are your main differences with each other?
Personality po.
Personality. Yes, because I'm extroverted and she's
Introverted po. Ano ba yung MBTI ko? I am an INFJ.
I am an ENFP. Judger siya, guys.
INTJ ka talaga.
Hindi talaga, babe.
Ay, nag-INTP ka, di ba?
INTP dati.
INFJ ka na? Ay, INFP? ENFP.
Kaya nga extroverted, sabi ko lang.
Ay, sorry. Oh, spontaneous siya ako kasi organized ako.
Wow. Pero, ayun nga. Siguro, yung interest namin, na inclined siya more on writing, yung, novels, stories, and I'm more inclined sa multimedia, which is, yung photography, videography, and all that. Pero, along the way din, nag-intertwine din naman interest namin. Pero one is more interested in the other, which is, yung writing and photography. And, ayun din, na, alam mo yun, kahit na magkaiba yung difference namin, parang nung senior high, hindi talaga kami nagwalay, day. Kasi suwalay kami sa journalism. Hi, the Emilian Chronicler.
Hi, the Emilian Chronicler, guys.
Yes. Nung grade 11, I joined photojournalism for the very first time, and I got in. And
I came back sa feature writing, although sa English.
Yes.
Tas nung grade 12, we got promoted. Pares pa kami nag-editorial board. Pak! Di ba? Siya chief journalist, ako associate editor.
You mean chief photojournalist.
Di ba?
Pero, ayun. Ayun nga. So, like, parang it's, joyous. Masaya. Isipin na, alam mo yun, kahit na magkaiba kami, parang parehas pa rin nag-intertwine, parehas pa rin umaangat, kumbaga. Kasi, never ending yung interest namin sa, syempre, mga bagay na gusto namin, di ba?
Okay. Ayun
pa ba? Ano pa ba? Difference? Fashion.
Fashionable naman kami, pero like, maporma kami, pero madami kasi instances na nagko-contrast talaga kami. Like right now, siguro. Although medyo intentional ba to? No, kasi nag-usap kami before. Sinabi lang namin kung ano yung damit namin. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, ko-contrast ba kita or magpapares tayo ng style? Sabi ko, contrast na lang, guys. So, eto.
Yeah. Ano siya? Emo. Charot.
Medyo.
Emo. Soft girl. Charot! Pero, ayun nga, guys. Ayun. Ano pa ba? Height. Yung sinabi na kanina.
Height.
Maliit talaga ako, guys. Never in my life, never since junior high did I grew an inch nor a centimeter. So, like,
di na po siya lumaki.
Pero, ayun.
Ano ba? Hair length, height, ano pa ba? Ayun lang naisip ko na major. Siyempre, yung pinaka-smallest details sa amin, iba talaga. Pero yun lang naman yung pinaka-major.
Next. Maano to? Charot. What do conflicts or fights look like? What are the challenges you face? And how do you resolve it?
Sino mo sasagot?
Sige, ako. Siguro, sa conflicts. Siyempre, it's less about her less about my kambal, about Pia, but more on yung naririnig and nakikita sa ibang tao. I mean, comparisons nga, like she said earlier, na ang laki ko narinig, ay, ba't mas ganto si Pia, mas ganto siya, gano'n, mas ganto si Ria. And para ba, never kong sinisi si Pia about that kind of thing, na ganong conflict. Kasi like, I know naman na, ayun nga, kahit kambal kami, may difference talaga kami. Kasi, same lang naman kami birthday, guys. Pero, we're our own
Yun
persons.
lang naman po yun, guys.
Pero, ayun nga, ikaw.
Paano ba? Siguro, for me, ayun nga, it's not really about sa aming dalawa, pero more on yung experiences namin na skambal. Ganyan, kasi, syempre, pag ever since bata ka, naririnig mo yung ganun na comparison, it messes your self-perception, di ba? Self-identity, guys. It messes your self-identity. Like, alam nyo ba, guys? Alam, share na siya. Pero like, paano ba? May experience ako, may phase kasi sa life ko na parang, minsan hindi ko like, matignan yung sarili ko sa mirror kasi parang nakita ko si Ria. Tapos parang naalala ko yung comparison ng iba sa akin. Tapos parang, why can't I stare at myself in the mirror, diba? Parang nare-remind kasi ako na, ito yung mga sinasabi nila about sa aming dalawa. So parang ang hirap nun, i-cope up ever since bata. So like, ayun.
Yeah, and siguro dun sa about sa mirror, I think it got to the point na kapag nananaginip ako, yung mukha ni Pia yung nasa panaginip ko, hindi ako. So like sabi ko, what? Magkamukha ba talaga kami? Pero kahit na alam kong hindi naman. So, ayun. Tapos, ano pa ba?
Di naman kami nagpo-fight na parang fight na fight talaga, para dagulan lang. Kasi, siguro kasi we're like the family members that really understands each other. Like, we understand each other the most. Like, not just because we're twins, pero more on na nasa same phase kami kasi ng life. Like, same stage. So, alam namin yung pwede namin isipin, like thought processes. So, parang, ayun, pag alam namin naiinis yung isa sa amin, alam namin kung ano gagawin. Either, hindi naman kasi kami talaga nag-uusap pag naiinis kami sa isa't isa. Pero, ayun, that's basically just what we do. We leave each other alone.
In the end, parang, I understand you.
I understand you.
So like, okay lang yan. Okay lang. Nagkainisan lang kami, nagkairitahan, pero in the end, bati na pa rin.
Wala naman kaming grudges.
No.
Pero hindi kami, emotionally affectionate.
Oo, hindi.
Hindi.
Pero, syempre, we have our own love language then. That's another thing about our differences.
Love language namin, philosophical, conversations.
Philosophical talaga.
Philosophical and ideological, tsaka political.
Syempre, tapos, acts of service, guys.
Tsaka spiritual conversation.
Yes. Di mawawala yan.
Di mawawala. That's a requirement.
Siguro, to add din, ayun nga, nagka-college si Pia. So, although I'm in a gap year, I'm currently taking a gap year. Pero yung course niya is
psychology. Wait. Claiming yung psychology. Praying po sa will ni God if plan niya po yung psychology or whatever in social sciences and literature. Pero ayun, currently general education po ako.
And me, currently, I'm taking a gap year nga. So, but praying din na kasi I plan to take environmental science or somewhere along the lines.
Saan?
Sa Kapso.
Sa Kapso.
Indang. Layo. Sabi na nag-Manila. Pero ayun nga. Ayun. And, ayun. Wala na kaming iba namang pinag-aawayan except sa damit niya.
Di siya nagpapaalam minsan pag nagano ko ng damit, bro. Bumili ka ng sarili mong damit kasi...
Hey, I bought this clothes from Ukay.
Okay. Congrats. Nakabili ka na rin after 5 years.
Bili. Libre 3.
Nga pala, libre nga pala yan.
Okay. So, ayun. Next, how did being a twin affect your social and other aspects in life? Siguro, siguro, more on ano siya. Hindi siya yung parang talagang naapektuhan kami. More on light-hearted things, I think. Na light-hearted lang.
Ah,
Na
light-hearted
parang
lang.
siguro sa social life, circle of friends, na positive naman yung pagka-affecto kasi ayun, yung friends niya, nagiging friends ko din.
Shout out sa Yums Diversity.
Shout out, hi. Kasi ako lagi akong alam mo yun, buntot ng mga yums ng section
The
niya.
only STEM.
The only STEM lagi sa grupo nila is ako. So like, ako dun. Hindi naman out of place, pero alam mo yun, parang nagsistand out na hindi kasi kambal ko siya.
No. Pero
ayun.
minsan mas gusto nila kasama si Rhea for some reason.
Grabe.
Yan.
Na-offend ka ba?
Kasi inaaway ko kasi sila, so okay lang yan. Anyways, siguro feel ko na experience mo rin to Rhea, like one negative experience. Feel ko na medyo deep to Pero ayun, siguro nagkaroon kasi ako na experience before, na iniisip ko na, kaya siguro nagkaroon ako ng phase sa life ko na na parang, ayoko muna ipakilala yung friends ko kay Rhea or ipakilala si Rhea sa friends ko. Mostly nung senior high.
Yes, same.
Diba?
Same actually.
Parang, naisip ko kasi na, parang siguro, nasa birth pa lang yung friendship ko with my friends. Tapos, what if mas magustuhan nilang maging kaibigan si Rhea, diba? So, parang, where does that leave me, diba? Ako yung nauna. Hay! Pero ayun. Pero like, syempre, it's not about Rhea. It's mostly about, like, wala lang. It's the negativity. Ganun.
Yes, same actually. Kasi, nung senior high was one of the biggest struggles
Toughest.
of my life. Of our lives. Siguro din, naging factor na din yung pagkahiwalay namin ng landas. Kasi nga lagi ko siya kasama since grade 1. So like, I really struggled. Yes. So parang sabi ko, parang kay Pia kasi, in my perspective, mas okay yung naging status niya nung senior high. Especially nung grade 11. Parang, mas naging okay yung pag-adjust niya. Kumbaga, kasi siya, ang dami niyang friends ako. Parang left out sa section namin. So sabi ko, what if yung the only friends I have dun sa section na yon pag na-meet nila si Pia, ay, sana pala siya yung naging kaklase ko. Diba? Sabi ko.
Yeah. Ko rin na what if ganun yung pala na-experience si Rhea. So, parang, nagkaroon ako ng invisible boundary rin sa mga friends ni Rhea na. Kahit nagyayaya si Rhea na, sama ka sa amin, ganyan. Parang sasabi ko, wag na, ganyan. Kasi parang, wala lang. I think important rin yung ganun na consideration for some people.
Yes. Pero ako, yes lang ako ng yes kapag inaaya. Kasi,
yes, people yun eh.
Yes, people. Kasi ako, guys, no.
Ako recent realization ko is, wala lang. Yun siguro yung pinaka-difference namin kasi ako, kailangan ko muna talaga pag-isipan if attend ako ng social event or not. Siya, enthusiastic kasi siya.
Yes, kasi hindi ako social butterfly. Social ipis.
Social dog.
Social dog? Anong dog?
Chihuahua.
Ang bilis nun. Ang bilis nun. Pero, ayun, next question. Oh.
Did you ever not want to be seen as twins?
Sino sasagot?
No. Yeah, it's not something na inisip ko before na parang, do I just want to be seen as siblings or not? Kasi like, biologically speaking, di naman maiba yun. Like, socially lang to. Sa social identity mo lang to. So, as someone na parang, kung ano yung totoo kasi yun na talaga yung tinatanggap ko. So, parang, it never really crossed my mind.
Pero, sa akin hindi naman talaga. Hindi talaga, never. Kasi nga, like I said earlier, I'm quite proud na I have a twin. Kasi nga, not all people have that. So parang it's both a privilege and an honor that I have a twin. So sino bang papasalamatan ko? Si tatay, si mama? Pero syempre si God. Kasi blessing nga siya. Blessing! Yes,
Ayan.
it's truly a blessing. So, ayun yung sagot namin.
Accepted
No.
agad.
No.
We cannot take it back and we don't want to take it back.
Yes, never. So, next.
Next one.
Oh. Ay! Nahulog siya. Pero, ayun. Are you still close? Ganto nga, di ba? Ganto nga. Since before birth. Ganto na nga kami. So, yes, we're still close and we're still growing closer to each other. Kasi nga, I think this podcast then led to that. Kasi, although we do have meaningful conversations every day, once in a while, ganon. Sa chat or mostly sa chat. Kasi, alam mo yun. Alam yun na yun, guys.
Alam niyo na
Mahirap magsalita, pero madali mag-chat.
chat.
Pero ayun, we are still close and we're growing closer together emotionally,
Yeah.
spiritually. Especially spiritually.
Mm-mm.
Kasi nga, thank you, God.
Oh, I think ever since naman close kami. And, I don't think na yung iba yun. Parang once you're close with someone, hindi naman na talaga nag-ano yun. You just don't grow closer pag nag-stop yung connection nyo. Pero, for sa amin, syempre, constant growth.
Constant growth siya.
Growth.
Kasi,
Groot.
ayun.
I am Groot.
Pero, next. Would you still be the same without your twin? No. Kasi nga, alam niyo yun, it's the same as having your environment affect your personality, your life. Na kapag may twin ka na lagi mong kasama, lagi mong makakausap, and talagang ganito kayo, talagang,
Maapektuhan ka na.
yes.
Oh. Symbolic interactionism theory.
I don't know what that is.
Pero, hindi ko
Pero,
alam yung tama application ka nun, pero yes. Since madaming interactions and reminders na may kambal ako sa buhay ko, so inevitably, that influences a lot of things about myself.
yes,
So,
what she
yeah.
said.
Siguro pag wala akong twin, pag ako yung bunso, wag na. Ayun ko. Parang hirap pala pag mag-isa kang bunso tapos 5 yung kapatid mo. Ay, tama ba? 5 yung kuya tsaka ate mo. Tapos bunso ka. O tapos yung age gap mo magsisimula pa sa 5 years. Wag na guys. Okay na pala yung twin. Okay na yun.
Siguro, what my life would look like if wala ang twin ko si Bea. Sabi ko, I would be more lonelier. Yes.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Kasi nga, it is really, really a blessing, a privilege, and honor to have a twin. Kasi, ayan na, binigay na ni Lord na may kambal ka na lagi kang may kasama kasi He knew what you were gonna face in life. So, He gave you this.
O, diba? Tsaka, parang, blessing rin siya. Considering na, pag may lonely phases ako sa life, hindi siya yung kasing lonely if, isa lang ako. Kasi, may consideration na, may kambal naman ako, so, I'm actually not that lonely.
Oo, na although we're not physically affectionate, emotionally affectionate, pero we're close in a way na
That transcends?
beyond all. Tara. Pero, ayun, parang hindi siya ma-explain eh. Alam niyo yun? Kasi, parang, lang, it's such a great and complex blessing na, grabe yung will ni Lord, yung love ni Lord, binigyan ako ng kambal.
Yeah, let's go.
Yay! So, yeah, I would not be the same without my
You're
twin.
very different.
Very. Kasi I would not survive some things. I would have struggled a lot more kung wala si Pia. Oh. Pero, next. Kung the last question was a hypothetical universe, hypothetical world, hypothetical life, this one is futuristic.
Futuristic.
What do you think your life will be in the future with your twin? Sige, ako muna.
Sige.
Bakit
Okay.
natawa ka?
Go.
Pero, ako, nahihiyan ako, charot. Siguro, give 5 to 10 years. I think, alam mo yun, kasi yung family namin, sa amin pa lang, it's such a big family na. So, kapag in the 5 to years future, I think na mas mag-grow pa siya talaga. And kung ako nag-aasawa, kung ako magkaroon ng family, hey, stop! Charot. Kung ako magkaroon ng family, yes, of course, magiging lagi siyang kasama. Ganun. Kasi, alam, may ninang ka na, maid of honor ka na, magiging twin lola ka pa. Tapos, alam mo yun, baka maging connection pa kita somewhere in my career.
Wow.
Ikaw na yung magiging psychiatrist ka. Charot. Pero, ayun.
Bawal yun, may bias yan.
Kala may bayad eh. Ayun, ikaw.
Feeling ko nag-aaral pa ako pag may ano na. Family. Like, ewan ko, kasi gusto ko, parang matagal pa ako mag-aaral eh. Parang, syempre magpi-PhD pa ako eh.
Wow.
Pero ayun, syempre, feel ko kasi parang same pa rin, pero different milestone in life na. Kung ano na yung experience ko with having a twin right now, ganun pa rin siya for the next decade. Kasi nga, constant lang naman siya, yung nag-iba lang naman yung stages namin sa life. So, I don't think much will change in terms of relationship namin other than getting closer.
Kahit na, alam mo yun, magkaiba yung life namin, pero same stage pa din. So, that makes it more bearable. Talaga. And para bang, alam mo yun, lahat magagawa ko kapag kasama ko si Pia.
No.
Pero, ayun nga. Ayun, so, see you soon, future life. And, yeah, ito mas light, I think. Do you think you'd be friends if you weren't twins? Magiging magkaibigan pa tayo. Ba tayo kung di tayo magkambal? Isipin mo, syempre, mawiwirduan ako kung may makikipagkaibigan sa akin na kamukha ko, diba?
Kuya, hindi tayo magkamukha. Hindi nga tayo kambal eh.
Ba't ka nag-hesitate?
But yes ba sagot mo?
Oh.
Ay, may ba? No, sagot ko eh.
Grabe.
Hindi.
I'm offended.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Hindi siya yung offend. Huwag kang ma-offend. Kasi feel ko lang, paano ba? Hindi naman sa may ikaw ko sa'yo, pero kasi feel ko, different environments kasi tayo. Like, look at me, wala naman ako masyadong friends sa STEM other than sa org. So, like, parang, from that pa lang, parang hindi na tayo magiging magkaibigan.
Ako, di ko alam. Baka bias lang ako, kaya yes yung sinabi ko. Pero, ayun, kasi I think I would like to make friends with you. Iiyak na yan. Iiyak na yan. Pero ayun nga. Ayun. Pero, siguro I don't think we'd be friends, but I'd want to be friends with her, even if we weren't twins. Apparently, she doesn't.
Feel ko though, if magiging mag-friends tayo if hindi tayo twins, sa church. Kasi
Sa church.
like, di naman, mas nauna siya naging Christian sa akin eh. Tapos siya lang naman tsaka yung kuya ko yung nagyaya sa akin, specifically na mag-church. So like, nasa starting point sila ng journey ko with God. So, I think yun yung magiging starting point. Ayun.
Okay, kung naman plano ni Lord dun sa world na yan. Pero,
walang world na yun. There is only this world.
and thank God for that. And ayun.
Okay.
Next.
Over.
To. Para sa akin to. Do you think... Ay, mali. Mali pagkapasok. Why did you choose your own twin as the first guest? Kasi, like I said, this podcast we'll tackle random things about topics relating to life, love, and kinship. And for me, the greatest kinship one can have is having a twin. And alam mo yun, ano kasi, kahit na extroverted ako guys, I'm not good in front of a camera. Behind the camera lang ako guys. Behind the camera lang ako okay. Pero, ayun, talagang, meron akong anxiousness. And ganun ako, stutter, ganun. Pero, ayun nga, praise God. Kasi, slowly, I'm becoming more confident, courageous.
Confident?
Pero, it's through Him naman. And I think, God is using this podcast and vodcast para yun nga, mag-grow. Hindi lang ako, pero lahat ng tao na makakasama natin dito as persons and kung ano man yung weaknesses nila. And, ayun, turn their weakness into strength, which, ayun, kasi I really, really did want to create a podcast someday with her or vlog, ganun. And ito na siya, guys. And kaya siya yung pinili ko kasi I'm much more comfortable. Tinan mo nga, nagkukulitan pa kami. Kung iba tong tao, ano ganun. Paulit-ulit lang. Pero ayun nga, parang, syempre, the first episode is a very special one. So, like, special guest!
Ngayon ko lang na-realize na mas, siya, words affirmation na love language. Kasi, kaya niya sabi mga ganun. I could never say that.
But she's a writer, guys. If you read her writings, hopeless romantic. Pero,
On paper.
On paper.
On paper lang yun, guys.
Pero, ayun. So, I think that concludes it. The podcast. And may iba ka pa bang sasabihin, Pia? About a twin? Apparently, hindi mo ako magiging kaibigan.
That's considering kasi yung personalities natin. That's a hypothetical situation. This is why I don't like hypothetical questions. Pero yun, ano pa ba? Actually, guys, parang nabigla lang rin ako na ako yung first guest. It was actually a surprise. Hindi ko in-expect yun.
But I knew you would accept kasi nga hindi mo naman matitiis. And you're also eloquent with words. Hindi lang sa writings. I mean, yes, in writings.
Siyempre, humanista ako eh.
Pero, alam mo yun, wise siya eh. Ayun nga yung nasa pangalan niya eh. Sophia, the love for wisdom.
Very common name.
Siguro, before we end this podcast, quick background about our names. Because I'm Soria.
And I'm Sophia.
And Sophia came from?
Galing po siya sa aming grandfather, kay Lolo UP, which his real name is Sofio po, guys. So, alam niyo na yun. Sofio equals Sophia. Tas ginawa lang nilang Sophia. So, ayun, guys.
And,
ako yun, guys.
Yes. And Soria came from, di ko alam, Sophia. Di, anong next na ano? Soria, hindi.
Galing yun sa banda ba yun na paborito ni tatay?
I think,
pero dinicide lang nila yun sa birth.
Oo, guys. I'm an afterthought. Charot! Pero, ayun. Ano siya? It's from the band, I think, if I'm not mistaken, Soraya. Kaya, minsan, yung basa sa pangalan ko, Soraya, kahit na Soria yun. So, like, sabi ko, sige po.
Go, guys.
Okay. Sorry.
Whatever you want.
Ay na nga yun, pero ba't Soraya yung tawag? Pero, ayun, thank you. Dahil ginawa niyong diverse yung pronunciation ng name ko. Pero, I think yung meaning ng name ko is something connected about river. So, alam mo yun.
River. Go.
I don't know what that says about me. I think I talk endlessly. That's why it's a river.
Yakin kasi siya.
That too. Pero, ayun nga. Ayun, being a twin, having a twin. I hope that you learned a lot about twins from our lives, our experiences. Alam niyo yun na yun. And having a twin is really one of the greatest facts and things that I have in my life. Kasi talagang, ano siya, blessing talaga. Paulit-ulit. Na although, parang, di ko na-realize in my birth na, ay, ganun pala ka-special yung pagkaroon ng kambal. Pero, ayun.
I think it's a unique biological and spiritual opportunity. Like, a unique way to grow dito sa mundong to. Like, there's a lot of things na you can be born with. And one of the better things is being born with a twin.
Aww. So, that's it for our first episode. Thank you, Kindred Stories. Kahit na kasama ako doon. Charot.
Thank you, Kindred Stories.
Yes. And this is such a great opportunity to have this meaningful conversation yet again on video. And we're so eager and grateful to show it to you guys. And I hope and we pray that you really learned more.
Yay.
Enlightened. And even entertained. Kasi nga, ganun kami kaganto. Di lang kami close, napapasaya din namin kayo. Yan.
Oh.
And, good night!
Good
night, dreamers! Hi again, guys! Ito ang aming fun segment. Ano lang, to further entertain you and to let you know more about us. And it's, of course,
TMI lang.
Sinong mas? Who's more? Who's more this and that? So, may mga questions, hindi naman questions, pero may mga facts or statements kami dito of who's more, yun nga, this and that. So, first,
pikit muna tayo, tapos turo natin
hindi
kasi.
may pointer kami dun, di ba?
Pointer.
Oo, pointer.
I think we can use it.
Purple gusto kong green. Yan. So, it's the fun segment naman, guys, to further entertain you and let you know more about us. So, ano ba to? Masyado mahaba. And it's about sinong mas or who's more. This or that or her or me. Ganun, siya ba o ako? And the first question. Pikit tayo. Pikit.
Okay, basahin mo muna.
Sige. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Who's more OA?
Bukas na naman mata.
Guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Wait, ano explanation mo ba't ikaw mas okay?
I think I'm more OA. Bakit? Ayun nga, mas extrovert ako. Mas ano kayo? Ganon, mas ganon ako, diba?
Oo. Feel ko kasi mas makulit ako kasi ewan ko, pagkasama ko mga kaibigan ko, sobra OA. Tsaka pag mag-isa ako sa bahay, parang ewan. Okay, feeling ko.
Ako kasi, inside or out of the house, I'm makulit. So, like,
Akin kasi may reservations.
sige.
Kailangan mag-isa or kasama ko close ko.
Okay, ikaw. Ikaw naman magbasa.
Who's more organized? 1, 2, 3. Pwede mo mag-fan? 3, 2, 1. Yay! Ako talaga, guys. J nga eh. Ayun na, J nga, diba? So, guys, ayun.
I admit it. Okay.
Ayoko po sa spontaneous na mga bagay.
And it's not only about that, pero about her things, about her files. Alam mo yun? Kung makikita mo yung Google Drive ko sa Google Drive, mine is a mess. And her is like a skeletal frame. Na lahat may gamit. And lahat, magkakaano sila. According to their own needs. So, next. Parang, 1. Okay, who's more competitive? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, buksan mo na mata mo. Go.
Ako wala. Ba't sagot ko wala? Ba't ako? Bakit ako?
Huh? Kasi, considering yung mga experiences, parang mas nag-join ka ng competitions kasi sa akin.
And that's not out of competitiveness though. That's just
Comparison lang kasi. Who's
Interest.
more nga eh. Hindi yung kung sinong competitive sa atin talaga. If may ko-consider kung isang tao mas competitive sa atin.
wala talaga.
Wala ba?
Di ako competitive. No, I just join for the sake of it.
Kino-compete mo nga. Okay. Anyways, actually don't like competitions.
Okay. Next, ikaw magbasa. Look at you.
Wait. Kailangan ko itong pag-isipan. Who's more sensitive? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
3, 2, 1.
Tama yun, guys.
Yes.
Siya talaga.
Iyakin ako, guys.
Mas expressive kasi siya pag nagre-react siya. Ako kasi either iba reaction ko or ewan lang. Kalmado lang, ganun. Pero kasi siya,
Thank you. Live prod. Charot. Pero, ayun. Ayun, mas sensitive ako. I admit. 2. Next. Who's more of a morning person? Close your eyes. 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1, open.
hala! Hoy, hindi talaga! Wow!
Okay.
Mama, oh. Mama, siya ba yun? Siya ba yun?
Hindi. You only say that you're a morning person kasi nagpupuyat ka.
Hindi ako nagpupuyat, guys.
Hindi siya morning person. She's a midnight person.
Hindi na po ako nagpupuyat. Actually, guys, may daily schedule ako. As an INFJ, may daily schedule. May listahan po ako ng lagi kong ginagawa sa araw-araw. And kasama na po yung sleeping time ko. Sleeping time ko po, either 9, 10, or 11. So, morning person po kasi nagigising ako either 5, 6, or 7. Siya naman, laging 9, 10, 11 nagigising. So, hindi siya morning person.
Okay. No comment. Next.
Morning person.
Okay. Ikaw na magbasa.
Wait lang. Okay. Who's more bossy?
1, 2, 3, go. Okay, open our eyes. 3, 2, 1.
Siya! Siya talaga.
Yes, guys. Ayun nga, sabi niya, kanina, diba, she doesn't act like a panganay. Kasi ako yun. Kasi palautas ako eh. Alam mo yun. Pia, magano ka naman. Uy, Pia, maganto ka. Gawin mo naman yun.
Ayoko pa naman nang inutusan ako. Kasi like, kung kaya ko naman gawin ng kusang loob, so like, why would you remind me to do that? Kaya ko naman eh. Kaya siguro yun yung isa sa pinag-away namin minsan.
But it takes too long. Pero, next, ako naman ang magbabasa. Close our eyes. 3, 2, 1. Who's more of a cat person? Okay. Ay! Open our eyes. 3, 2, 1.
Ako, syempre.
Yes.
Unang pet ko cat. Though, surprise lang yun kasi si mama kasi biglang nag-uwi ng pusa.
Pero ayun. Fun fact, she's named Maya.
Oh, Maya kasi May 1 kasi siya napulot ni mama. Tapos after that, after a year, ilang generation na ng mga pusa nasa bahay.
Yes. And I prefer dogs kasi mas makulit sila.
Parang ayoko na ng pets. Hi Maya.
Pero ayun. Next.
Ano ba?
Okay. Ito yun. Close our eyes. Sinong mas maganda yung handwriting? Wait. I think we can decide on that.
Okay, sige. Okay.
So, we should let the viewers or listeners do that. Kaya, I prepared something.
Over.
It's a whiteboard, of course. And a marker. So, ito yung challenge. So, we're going to write the name of our studio. Kindred Stories, of course. In our own handwriting. So, like, kayo na lang mag-judge, guys. So, ayun. So, na. Although, may sulat na dito. Pero, ayun.
Okay, ASMR muna ba nagsusulat siya?
Kagandahan ko sulat ko.
Nagsusulat ako. Ito yung sulat na Ria.
Tagal magsulat. Ikaw. Bakit yung sulat ko?
Well, you know, you can't compare handwriting kung hindi siya paper.
Why?
Wait. Malinig ba? Medyo.
Bilisan mo na.
Wait lang. Teka lang. Na-pressure ako.
Huwag mo nagandahan. Just write it normally.
Wait. Mag-iisip natin. Okay. Reveal.
Ang arte.
Diba, guys?
Sino?
Sinong
mas
kuya?
Wag na, yung comment na lang.
Okay. Mas maganda. Dalawa yung version ko So like, isipin nyo guys. Yung diversity ng handwriting skills ko. Kaya ko i-spell yan ng sign language. Di yun handwriting, pero
We should save that for the next. So, ayun nga guys. This was Kindred Stories.
This was Kindred Stories. This was Kindred Stories. This was Kindred Stories.
I'm Soria,
And I'm Sophia.
and see you on our next episode. Good night, dreamers!
Good night, dreamers. Good night.